Welcome back, everyone, in our next section, in which I'm going to teach you the content marketing ideas. So, in earlier section, I have already mentioned the content marketing formats in three type of formats. Basically, one was readable, one was visual, and the third one was audio content format. Right, but I have a doubt that some of you might have confused, like, still what kind of content you should post on your social media platforms, right? So for those, I have created this particular section in which I have listed down few type of content, and you can pick any one, or like, you can shuffle any different content type of content and use on your social media platforms, right? So let's go down in detail. The first one is blog post. So blog post is basically what, it's a long and more trustworthy content, right? If you love to write content, or if you are a blogger, or if you do blogging, and you love to write articles, right? So blog post is the best type of content for your business. And if you write blogs, what you have to do, you just have to pick 5 or 10 pain points of your audience in whatever niche you are in, and you just have to provide them solution. You just have to write the solution to their pain points in your article. So by this way you can win the trust of your traffic. By this way you can win the trust of your audience, right? So this is a first type of content, blog post, right? And the next one we can jump on to, this is a video type of content. And let me tell you honestly, on social media platforms, video type of content that attracts more rather than image content or any type of content, right? Why this is so? Because in video I am personally providing any solution, or I am personally connected with you. What is actually I am, or you are, like, if you are a personal brand, right? You are the shadow of your social media channel, you are the shadow of your business, right? So by, through videos, you can personally connect with your social media followers, you can personally connect with your audience, and through this way you can build your authority. And what happens is, social media actually right now pushing videos type of content more rather than any type of content. So if you are in a social media, most probably if you are on Instagram and you do Instagram marketing, right? So currently the reel video is an another best organic way to grow your social media followings. And why this is so? Because Instagram has rolled out this feature like a TikTok. If you are on a TikTok, you must be aware that what type of content they have, and what kind of audience they have. And after shutting down the TikTok in India, they jump onto Instagram, and Instagram rolled out with the reel feature. And currently Instagram pushes all Instagram users who are putting real content in their social media, right? So if you are doing if you're posting image type of content, then you should stop doing it right now, and use more and more real video type of content to grow your social media channels, to grow your Instagram account fast. And this is what you can do without paying a single dime to Instagram account, without doing paid promotions, right? And this video content will give you virality without paying to Instagram any single rupee, right? So currently, if you are doing any type of content in Instagram, stop right now and use more and more real content on your Instagram channel, right? And another type of content is infographic. So infographic is what? Infographic is mostly an informative and educational post in which you can providing a solution to your audience by mentioning the points. Like, if you want to if you don't like writing an article, right? And if you are more a visual content, your prefer audience more prefer visual content. So what you can do, you can just write down your informative and educative content in single post, And how you can do it? You can do it with the help of canva.com. This is a free tool, and I will give you the tutorial in the upcoming section when we will jump down on the content creation section, right? So infographics in another type of content that you can use for your social media channels. Okay, now the next one is email newsletter. So right now, email newsletter is another type of content which provides highest ROI to any business. Yes, this is true. But if you are starting and if you are new in your social media channel, you are new to your business, so what you can do, you can use this type of content and you can provide a weekly newsletter, you can provide a monthly newsletter to your audience. And by this way, you can build your trust, you can get an extra advantage than any of your competitor in your niche, right? So this is another best example of content for your business, right? And the next one is online courses. So whatever expertise you have in your niche, so what you can do, you can provide a video course in which you are teaching anything to your audience. So but basically you have to teach, you have to again pick the pain points of your audience, and you have to provide them the solution and how they can come up with better solution than anyone is providing in your competition. So this is what you can do in your niche. You can provide online courses to your audience. And another is live on social media. This is an amazing type of content that attracts more than any type of content. And what you have to do, you just have to go live on your Instagram, you just have to go live on your Facebook profile, you just have to, if you have any Facebook group of your audience, either it's leads or customers, you should go live on that group also. So what will happen now, this way you can connect with your audience personally. And what actually happens, that particular social media platform, for example, if you're going live on Instagram, so what will happen, if you go live weekly on Instagram, Instagram algorithm push your content harder, Instagram push your content harder, and they will reach your content to in the entire Instagram audience. So by this way you can build your social media followers fast. So I hope you get it. And this is another best type of example content example. And the another one is webinar. So why people do webinar, right? So the main reason to do webinar is, for example, if you have 1,000 customer, right? So the every one of them will not be engaged with you regularly, right? So whenever you create a webinar, like for example, if you create a weekly webinar, right? So the not the entire your customer will be show up on that particular webinar. That will be mostly a rough estimate, I can say 10% or 20%. So by creating a webinar on weekly basis, you have an idea how much your audience, how many your audience are engaging with you right now. So by this way you can have an idea like how many audience actually are your true fans and connected with you and engage with you regularly. So by this way you can build your authority more. So this is another type of content. Now next one is ebook. Ebook is an another type of content which will help you to build a list. So what you have to do, you just have to uh, I'm assuming that you have a business, right? And you have a particular website. So in your website what you have to do, you just have to provide, for example, if in earlier days you have write down few blog posts. So ebook is what, ebook is actually solution to the pain points of your audience, and you have merged that solution to a book. And now what will happen, if any traffic goes to your website or social media channel, they will mention their name, they will mention their email address, and you will get a lead definitely. And by this way you will building an email list, and you are providing solution to your audience, which is the main reason they come with you, right? So this is another way another type of content that will help you to grow your social media followings. And another type of content is podcast. So let me tell you very honestly, currently half of the US population, they are addicted to the podcast. They listen podcast because they find it informative and educative. But right now in India, it is not much in trend, and the people still, I have already mentioned that people still are addicted to like scroll down their social media profiles. They are not addicted to the podcast. But if you find this is valuable for your business, you can do podcasting. You can use this type of content for your business. Definitely this is another type of content. And so guys, this is all about the content marketing ideas. This is the content marketing ideas that will help you to pick up that type of content which you should post on your social media, right? So this is all about this particular section, and let's meet in another section.